tama na yan. That's okay. Isang ulo lang naman ang kailangan namin. Ang ulo ni Bongbong Marcos!
Yung pong video na yan ay amin pong naikumpara sa mga naging pahayag ng ating Vice Presidente na kung saan meron din po kaming bidyong binalikan na ang ating Vice Presidente ay nagre-refer din po sa pagtanggal ng ulo ng ating pong Presidente.
Balikan natin ang Special Task Force na binuo sa ilalim ng AO number 11, Mr. Witness. Ano ang nagtulak sa'yo, kung mayroon man, upang buuin ang Special Task Force na ito?
Ang akin na po nabanggit, ang malinaw na banta at planong pagpatay po sa ating Pangulo na para sa amin po sa law enforcement, ito ay nag-transcend na sa banta po sa ating national security. Sapagkat anuman pong banta sa ating Pangulo ay banta sa seguridad ng ating bansa. Sapagkat ito ay magdudulot ng kaguluhan, ng ligalig at destabilisasyon po sa ating pong gobyerno at sa ating pong bansa.
Nabanggit mo na ang banta sa buhay ng Pangulo ay banta na rin sa national security. Ano pa, Mr. Witness, kung mayroon man, ang nagtulak sa'yo upang buuin ang Special Task Force na ito?
May mga pangyayari po na atin pong nasaksihan na nagpatunay ng banta ay seryoso. Katunayan po, ang aming investigasyon ngayon, tumawid na sa hindi banta, kundi isang plano talaga na patayin po ang ating Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Sapagkat doon po sa ating mga inobserbahan na tinatawag nating open source intel, manilaw po roon ng ating Vice Presidente, sinabi mismo na siya ay kumausap na ng papatay at pumayag yung papatay na yan sa ating Pangulo ng Pilipinas.
Mr. Witness, bukod sa iyong nabanggit kung saan may kinausap ang Vice Presidente na papatay sa Pangulo, ano pa, kung mayroon man, ang dahilan o nagtulak sa'yo upang buuin ang Special Task Force?
Kung makikita po ninyo doon sa whereas clauses ng Administrative Order 11, ang nag-isa pong nagpatibay rito ay yung aming napanood na live broadcast po ng isang rally na tinatawag na Rage Coalition. If I remember it correctly, it's April 12 na nagsasalita ang mayor ng Davao City na si Mayor Sebastian Basti Duterte na sinabi niya na isang ulo lang naman ang kailangan namin at yan ang ulo ni Bongbong Marcos. Yan po ay aming isinama sa aming factor upang buuin po itong ating Administrative Order number 11.
May nabanggit ka na Rage Coalition Rally noong April 12, 2026. Ano itong insidenteng ito, Mr.
We have for the relevance, Your Honor.
Part of the witness's narration. Counsel, you're on a short leash again, kindly connected to this case.
Your Honor, this
Witness may answer.
question...
Dito po sa rally na ito ay nakita natin doon pa lang pa sa pangalan na sinasabing rage, ito po ay may interpretasyon base sa aming law enforcement experience na pag sinabing rage, galit, puot. At ang mga personalidad po na dumalo rito ay makikita nating mga personalidad na kilalang tumutuligsa at naglalabas ng destabilisasyon po sa ating pong gobyerno ngayon. Makita po natin ang presence ng iba't ibang personalities dyan na consistent na nagdudulot ng ligalig po sa ating pong bansa.
Mr. Witness, kung ipapakita sa iyo itong videong ito ba'y makikilala mo?
Opo.
Anong partikular na bahagi ng videong ito ang tumutukoy sa iyong sinabi kung saan may binanggit si Mayor Sebastian Duterte?
Mr. President, will be allowed to
Your
check
Honor.
on the time stop?
Let's listen to the counsel's objection first. Attorney Vinluan, what is your objection?
Again, irrelevant, Your Honor.
Same ruling. Counsel, go to it directly, and I hope you will connect and make the connection between this video and the matter at hand. Yes, Director Matibag, you may proceed to open the US. Are you referring to your notes, rather?
Opo, yung pong aking investigation.
You may refer to your notes,
Kung saan
Director
po
Matibag.
nakasulat ang timestamp nung video na aking po binabanggit.
Your Honor, may we be allowed also to...
Counsel for assisting counsel for the respondent may look at the document being reviewed by the witness. Likewise, should the prosecutor wish to do so, assisting counsel for the prosecutor may also stand up and accompany assisting counsel for the defense. You may proceed, Director Matibag, to answer.
Yan po ay nasa timestamp 2:34:35 to 2:30.
Your Honor, we are requesting that the video of Mayor Sebastian Duterte during the Rage Coalition on April 12, 2026, which has been previously marked as P430, particularly timestamp 2:34:35 to 2:34:43, be flashed, Your Honor.
The tech is directed to kindly play the timestamps mentioned. May I request assisting counsel from the defense to kindly witness the breaking. Is the USB sealed, counsel? Has
I
the
believe
seal
you're
been
right.
broken? Witness is instructed to break the seal while being witnessed by assisting counsel for both parties before it is presented to the tech for it to be played. While the witness is breaking the seal and giving it rather to the counsel for the prosecutor and assisting counsel for the respondent, Chair would like to make a manifestation with respect to the proceedings. Earlier, the Chair intimated to Senator judges, as far as practicable, to make their interjections and interventions after the party shall have examined the witness, both direct, cross, redirect, and recross, if any, unless the matter is of urgent, administrative, or procedural concern, in which case it may be brought up even before. the examination of the witness by the parties. But as far as practicable, let us allow the parties to finish the examination of the witnesses by themselves, because this is more of a trial really than merely seeking clarificatory questions when the counsels can elicit that from the witness anyway. Yes, are we ready to play the video?
Tama na yan. That's okay. Isang ulo lang naman ang kailangan namin. Ang ulo ni Bongbong Marcos!
Mr. Witness, napanood mo ang video. Ano ang kaugnayan ng video na ito sa insidente ng Rage Coalition na tinukoy mo kanina?
Yan po yung aking tinutukoy na video.
Ano ang partikular na sinabi ni Mayor Sebastian Duterte sa nasabing insidente kung iyong naaalala?
Sinabi po niya na isang ulo lang naman ang kailangan namin, ang ulo ni Bongbong Marcos.
Mr. Witness, ano ang kahalagahan ng insidenteng ito sa Rage Coalition sa investigasyon na ginagawa ng Special Task Force kaugnay ng banta ng Vice Presidente sa buhay ng Presidente?
Objection, Your Honor. Up to now, the prosecution has not established the relevance of these incidents to the matter at hand.
Your Honor, I'm
We're
in the
objecting to the
process.
basis of irrelevance, Your Honor.
I'm in the process of establishing the relevance already, Your Honor.
Counsel, kindly do so as best you can with the shortest possible time. I will allow it.
Yung pong video na yan ay amin pong naikumpara sa mga naging pahayag ng ating Vice Presidente na kung saan meron din po kaming videong binalikan na ang ating Vice Presidente ay nagre-refer din po sa pagtanggal ng ulo ng ating pong Presidente. Kung kaya't nakita namin po ang pagkakahambing ng statement po ng ating pong Mayor at ng Vice President Sara Duterte.
Mr. Witness, binanggit mo ang isang insidente kung saan sinabi ng Vice Presidente gusto tanggalin ang ulo ng Presidente. Ano itong insidenteng ito kung iyong nalalaman?
Sa aking pong recollection sa pag-imbestiga, ito po yung kanyang press conference noong October 18 ng 2024 kung saan sinabi niya, gusto kong tanggalin ang ulo niya ba? At sinabi rin po niya nga, imagine cutting his head. So yan po ang binabanggit ko na video.
Kaugnay ng sinabi niya na gusto ko tanggalin yung ulo niya ba? Anong partikular na bahagi ng binanggit mo na video ang tumutukoy sa sinabing ito ng Vice Presidente?
Mr. Presiding Officer, respectfully, with your permission, for that timestamp, I want to refer to my...
Witness is allowed to refer to his notes
Salamat
with
po.
assistance and within the view of the counsel, assisting counsel for the respondent and the prosecution if they so desire.
Your Honor, can we ask permission to scan the whole notebook, Your Honor? Or at least the salient portions of the notebook, Your Honor.
To look at it, to scan it, to see that if baka may mga nakasulat na iba dyan na wala nang kinalaman. Just to confirm that it is indeed his notes. What is the book you are referring to or notebook you are referring to, Attorney Matibag?
Mr. Presiding Officer, actually, diary ko po ito at saka notes combination. So kung makikita naman po, mula pa noon, iba't iba pong nakasulat dito. May mga personal po, may mga usapin. Ito lamang pong notes ko na to, nakatuon doon sa date kung saan po nagkaroon na ng investigation po yung Administrative Order number 11.
Then just the salient portions, Your Honor.
Your Honor, just for the record, we would like to invoke the right of the witness to refer to his notes because that note pertains to investigation notes which were prepared, done, written at the time of the investigation, Your Honor. That is to refresh his memory, Your
No,
Honor.
the presiding officer already allowed it. Counsel for the respondent, your assisting counsel is there. Without necessarily scanning the whole notebook which might contain other confidential or perhaps personal information, he may observe what the witness is referring to and you may make your observations known to the record should he observe something out of the ordinary. Witness may answer.